Filter pumps are often unnecessarily replaced, and often with a functioning motor. The problem is usually debris in the pump. Remove the pump and clear the debris on calls reporting a failed pump. The pump is accessible at the back of the fryer. Remove the back panels. The pump visible here is held to the motor with 4 bolts. 2 go through a shipping brace, which can be removed and discarded. Remove the bolts holding the brace to the fryer cabinet. Remove the bolts holding the brace to the pump. Remove the flex lines attaching the pump assembly to the manifold. Remove the other bolts attaching the pump to the motor. Remove the valve actuator if necessary to clear a path for the pump's removal. Remove the pump. Remove the nipple on the filter pan side of the pump. Inspect the port for debris. It takes very little debris to clog a gear pump. Use a screwdriver to dig out debris in the port. Use a wrench to turn the tang of the pump, which rotates the gears inside. More debris may be pushed out. Turn the tang by hand to ensure the gears move freely. Reposition the pump. Tighten the bolts holding the pump to the motor in an alternating pattern. Reattach the flex line attaching the pump to the manifold. Reposition the nipple to connect the flex line to the filter pan. Return the filter pan flex line to the nipple. Return the valve actuator. Ensure the filter pan is clean and reposition it in the fryer. On automatic filtering fryers, it will be necessary to run the filter with the controller, or in this case, the manual interface board, or MIB. Remove the cover over the MIB. It's held at the bottom with a torque screw. Here's an annotated view of the MIB. Bottom left is pressed for manual operation. Top left, under the display, is pressed to choose the vat to be drained. Top right is pressed to drain oil into the pan. Bottom right is pressed to open and close return valves. Press and hold bottom right to run filter with drain open or refill vat with drain closed. Follow these steps to drain and return oil to the fry pot. Press the M button to put the MIB in manual mode. Navigate to the vat you want to move oil in with a numbered button. Open the drain valve with the top right button. Oil drains into the filter pan. Press the return button to open the return valve and turn on the pump. Oil should flow through the fry pot. Press the upper drain button to close the drain. Press and hold the return button to refill the vat. Allow air to bubble into the vat, ensuring the return lines are cleared of oil. Return the MIB cover and the fryer's back. Return the fryer to service.